Tonight, market traded in a tight 20 pips consolidation between 130.60 and 130.80. During London lunchtime, price continued to trade the sharp down move towards the support at 130.60. As the sentiment was more bearish, the retracement was shallow and price failed to trade back above 130.75. This could also be a potential third lower high formation, as seen on the 1-minute chart. However, the selling did not sustain and market eventually consolidated in a 15 pips range, between 130.60 and 130.75. Price continued to hold above 130.60, but holding a series of lower highs. Market was fighting out a descending triangle continuation pattern or a triple bottom key reversal pattern at this level. After New York market open, the 1.3060 was holding strong. At the third time trying to retest 130.60, price formed a double bottom key reversal pattern. This signaled that there was buying interest in the market to hold up 130.60. Sellers gave up and many turned buyers. Price then accelerated and traded back up into the resistance zone of 130.75 and 130.80. Buyers were cautious when price stayed in the resistance zone. However, they continued to trade the upside, as long as price stayed above the previous resistance turn support at 130.70. Price continued to hold above the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, and defended the up move with a higher low. This signaled a bullish sentiment. Buyers were seen buying it back up again, into the resistance zone. First, we will zoom into this part of the trading night, to see how our FX dealing team traded off the price action when price broke the down channel and supported at the bottom of the range.
So the break of 66.5, 67 will lead you towards back here, right? Because it's breaking down this one. That's all. So it basically, once it breaks down this line, then stop losses and all that will bring it back up there. Break down this line, everybody is a seller and try. Doesn't work, break back this line, goes back, all the seller buys back here. But we're still in that range. Even if we trade out this range, there's a bigger range. So 10 pip at first, about 65 to 75 or 64 to 74 here, and then after that 8 pip here. There is 13 pip here, 8 pip here. So far it's about breaking lines that are down. This is the first time breaking up a down line. It may get back to here too. Right? Doesn't mean you will stop here. You will find resistance at 71. But if New York comes in to buy, in the next 2 minutes, you will find that you will just get to here. And we are still locked in this range. Above here, you will see a lot of stop losses. Then it will be nice for trading. Otherwise, you are finding scalpers, spot traders. Essentially, the crossover of those support resistance lines are the key. So draw this dotted line, gray, because the break of this at 66.5, 67 brings you to 70. And early New York, it may bring it up to the 75. So breaking of lines are where everybody, it's like sell, 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 cannot, then you see double bottom, come back here, buy back. Doesn't mean go anywhere, it just means seller, buy back, it goes up.
Now, let's zoom into this part of the trading night, to see how our FX dealing team traded off the potential third leg of the up channel to retest the upside of the range at 130.80.
Okay, we are locked in this, the last 2.5 hours. You've done well. You've done well by sitting there and don't lose. If you have traded, even though you make small, but as long as you don't lose. Don't forget your trained mindset, number one, not to lose. Very important. And now the market is trying to break out of the 77 because it's holding above the 71, right? So there are trading opportunities. Don't forget, this line is breaking down. It's still a lower low. So if you can get to here, it's good. Look at the crossover. The crossover of 71 to 75. Now holding above here, you will try. Okay, because they're New York, right? All are cowboys out there. They will try one. That's why we call them Yankee Cowboys.
Now, let's zoom into this part of the trading night to see how our FX dealing team traded off the price action when market found support at 130.70.
Still holding at 73, tested 75 the second time. If you can still hold 73 and test the third time, that will be the best time to try and break 75 and go to 77. You know, it inches way up like that. 2.5 pip every time it runs. Once it doesn't hold, you can drop back to the 71. Still a higher low. As long as it holds above 71, it is still a higher low. You can see the support line at 71. Draw the 71 line, blue. No, the 70. Yeah, I can move the 70 to 71. This segment of the market, we are trading 71. See, on the left side is 71. And watch for the 75 break. Again, bring this down to here. See whether 71 will form the higher low.
This is the end of our chief journal. Hope that you have learned trading the price action with small and consistent profit.